Wow, this building is huge. I hope I don't get lost.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
Yes. Today is my first day.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please sign here.
Sure.
Here is your visitor pass.
Thank you very much.
The elevator is on your left.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
You must be Emma.
Yes, I am.
Welcome to our company.
Thanks.
Are you excited?
Yes. And a little scared.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way.
Really?
Yes. Come with me. This is David.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Don't worry, we are very friendly.
That's good to hear.
If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is your desk.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Here is your computer.
Great.
Try to log in.
Okay.
What's wrong?
My password doesn't work.
Really?
Yes. I tried 3 times.
Don't worry, it happens sometimes.
Really?
Let me call IT.
Thank you. Oh no. Who is calling me now?
Maybe it's important.
Hello, Emma.
Hello.
I heard you need help.
Yes. My password doesn't work.
Let me check. I found the problem.
Really?
Someone typed your name wrong.
Oh,
Try this new password.
it works, thanks.
You're welcome.
Emma,
Yes.
your first customer is calling.
My first customer. I am nervous.
Just stay calm.
Hello.
Hello. I need some help.
Sure. How can I help you?
I cannot find my order.
Please tell me your order number.
It is 54,821.
One moment, please. I found it.
Really?
Yes. Your order will arrive tomorrow.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You did great job.
Really?
Yes,
I need coffee.
great idea.
Oh no. I made a mess.
It's okay, accidents happen.
Really?
Yes, even I spilled coffee on my first day.
Really?
Twice.
Now I feel better.
Emma,
Yes, ma'am.
can you print these paper?
Of course. Oh no. The printer stopped. I think I did something wrong.
Let me see. Don't worry, the paper is stuck.
Is it my fault?
No, it's happened all the time.
That's a relief.
Emma,
Yes, ma'am.
how was your first day?
I was very nervous. I made few mistake.
It's normal.
Really?
Yes. You were polite. You listened carefully. Welcome to our team, Emma.
Thank you, ma'am. See you tomorrow. Bye, Mom.